Well, the car is working very good. Suspension, balance, a little bit with the understeer, and I'm working on it. But basically, the package is good. The noise is as good, and the attacking is maybe even more because of the new rules. So I think you will see some good things here. We had top 3 last year, and you know I was very, very happy with that. The team made an unbelievable job, and of course it is tough. Manufacturers are tough, and it should be. So let's wait and see. I trying whatever I can, and fight with the big boys, of course.